Everybody. Today we are welcoming you here to the presentation. Now we are going to discuss regarding the O-level chemistry. This chemistry I will ask you. You will get a clear, crystal clear pictures regarding the topics we are going to discuss from the previous exam papers. So, firstly, I would like to tell you that Cambridge Assessment International Education market scheme or previous solution of the previous questions completely depends how you are interacting with that. যদি শুধু মার্কেট স্কিমকে ফলো করা হয় তাহলে যে প্রবলেমটা হয় সেটি হচ্ছে যে এই মার্কেট স্কিম থেকে যদি কোশ্চেনটা একটু ভিন্নতর হয়, মার্কেট স্কিম থেকে কোশ্চেনটা যদি একটু ভিন্নতর হয় তখন কিন্তু মার্কেট স্কিমের যে কোশ্চেনগুলো প্রিভিয়াসলি আসছে সেখান থেকে অ্যান্সার করা পসিবল হয় না। তাহলে আমাদের কি করা উচিত? আমাদের যেটা করা উচিত সেটা হচ্ছে মার্কেট স্কিমের যে সলিউশন, এই সলিউশনগুলোকে এমনভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করা উচিত যাতে করে মার্কেট স্কিমের যে কোশ্চেনটা আমি সলভ করতেছি সেই কোশ্চেনটার সাথে রেলিভেন্ট টপিক্সের উপরই কোশ্চেন হয়। তো ওই রেলিভেন্ট টপিক্সে আর কি কি ধরনের কোশ্চেন হতে পারে সেই জিনিসটা সম্পর্কে একটা ক্লিয়ার কাট ধারণা থাকাটা খুব জরুরি। যদি ওই রেলিভেন্ট কোশ্চেনের সাথে ক্লিয়ার কাট ধারণা না থাকে তাহলে যেটি হবে যে সেম টপিক্সের উপরে ভিন্ন কোশ্চেন হবে যেটা আনসার করা পসিবল হবে। তো এই দৃষ্টিকোণ থেকে আমরা যে কাজগুলো করতে পারি সেটি হচ্ছে যখন আমরা মার্কেট স্কিম সলভ করছি তখন আমাদের মনে রাখা উচিত যে যে কোশ্চেনটা আমরা সলভ করছি সেই কোশ্চেন থেকে কি ধরনের new problem may be created. The topics is one, but multiple questions may be generated. We should focus during our learning period that we will learn each and every topics in such a way so that we can reply correctly for the new questions that may be started for the final exam. Its another implication is that we will not focus only for the given solution, but we have to have focus on the different aspect of the topic. Let me tell you one thing. Just we are going to learn the issues clearly, so it will help us to get the picture clear in the pictures. So we are going here. This one. Another important thing is that during learning O-level course, especially for O-level chemistry, we should focus gradually and continuously, and as the students of English medium, we should have crystal clear phonetics. So wrong phonetics is not acceptable at all. So during learning, when you are day-to-day learning, your academic session should focus on this also. So let's start. We are strictly focusing on the question for the previous year solution. Meanwhile, we have a complete solution and complete database for O-level and A-level, Cambridge, and both for Cambridge and Edexcel. So everything you will get there. If you go here and then you can see this is English medium, and then just click on this. Just click on the button, and then you will get the complete design of English medium. Here's the old course. Just you will get this type of button. Just click on it, and you'll get the complete solution. So for academic problem, for solving the academic problem completely from any part of the world, any part of the globe, you can join to this website and can have the clear and daily pictures regarding the content. O-level and A-level content starting from grade 6. So everything is there. Just you will come here and then just click on the button, and then you get the details and comprehensive solutions and guidelines. This is an external website thing. If you focus on the internal database system, it is complete ecosystem for O-level and A-level. Just we will go here. After coming here, we are learning this. Sorry. So this is the complete database. So we are focusing on English medium. You can see here. This is the complete comprehensive guideline. You can select your sessions or class, and then you can go into the page, and then you will have the details ecosystem that is ready for you. All the subjects are designed in a so arranged manner that it will help you to find out your score, to find out your result sheet, and to mock test, and most especially the exclusive note. And not only that, with this ecosystem, you will also have the resource person that will guide you. So for covering the whole course within the specific or stipulated time frame, you can go in this website and structure ecosystem by which you will be able to complete your all papers within the shortest possible time. That will not create any problem, and the artificial intelligence system incorporated with this website will guide you and monitor you in your all steps day to day. So they will guide you day to day and update you day to day. So you will not behind the schedule. You will get a complete schedule starting from the day, and your course will be covered within a specific time frame. Then you will go for the mock test and other test. And if you face any problem, then there is a two types of teachers here. One is artificial intelligence AI incorporated with this software, and the other one is human teachers. Human teachers is here to listen, to solve your problem, to solve your academic problems, and at the same time to guide you, to monitor you, and tells you what to do and what not to do. So these are the complete comprehensive ecosystem for the English medium learners and the English version learners starting from grade 6. So if you are a guardian, if you are in the kids' parents, then you can think for this website. This is dedicated website for your kids. It will guide the whole process. It will monitor day-to-day basis, and it will generate automated results, and ultimately the world-class standard educational ecosystem. This will absolutely save time. All the things and all the learning materials are incorporated with this website, with this ecosystem. Everything, every question, every answer sheet, and all the video materials are downloadable, so anyone can download accessing to this website. There are two types of application. Students from go with one-to-one, or can go for a batch, or can learn with the record video and record classes and record learning materials, and also with go for subscription based. What is subscription based? Subscription based means that you are facing problem, you will just provide subscription, you will get the solution. This types of support, that is, it will help the learner not to go for any coaching, not to go for any teachers, not to go for other teachers. So everything is incorporated with this software. So students can go with the live class, with the record class, and also with subscription based. I think you have understand what I want to say. So all guardians are requested to take the opportunities to avail the opportunities for your kids.